This YouTube channel has been getting several thousands of views simply by creating AI movies. It generates them a revenue of about $1,000 to $5,000 per month. Want to create a realistic-looking AI movie like this?
I won't spare anyone.
Amazing, right? Don't worry. I'm here to teach you how to create a realistic-looking AI movie, step by step. And the good part of it is that it is completely free. I will also give you the secret to get consistent characters in your movies, like this. So stay with me. To create an AI movie, the steps involved are pre-production, production, and post-production. Let's dive deep into each of them. Pre-production. This step is where you brainstorm ideas about your film. You can use your story if you have one already, but if you don't, let AI write you a story. To begin, type into the search bar of your browser, ChatGPT. The link will be in the description down below. Input a prompt depending on the movie you want to create. For example, generate 5 different horror movie stories about a little boy who got drowned in a coastal area. Chat will give you different movie stories which you can select one from. If none of the stories seem to get you, play around the prompt and try again until you get your desired story. Once you have your story, prompt ChatGPT to convert the story to a script. Include how long you want your movie to be. Prompt example. Based on story 1, generate a 10 to 15 minute long script. Include scenes and voiceovers. Then paste your script into your word processing application. I am using Microsoft Word. You can use any word processor of your choice. Bravo! Stage 1 complete. Production. This is the main stage of the project where you will be generating images, videos, and voiceovers. First, let's generate the voiceover. Go to your browser, then search for CapCut. The link will be in the description down below. Sign up if you don't have an account. If you do, just sign in and let's continue. Microsoft CapCut is a video editor designed to make content creation easy for everyone. It has a voice generation tool which is completely free and can be monetized on YouTube. Open CapCut. The interface should look like this. Don't click on Create a new video option. Look for the text-to-speech option. Click on Try it. It should take you to this interface. The blue button, just at the bottom of your left, is the text-to-speech tool. Click on it. Go back to your word processing software where you saved the script. Copy each voiceover script and paste them into the text box of CapCut. CapCut gives you a variety of voices and languages. I prefer using American English, but you can select any language of your choice. Again, some voices have advanced settings for you to add emotions to the voice. Once you've selected your preferred voice and language, click Save. Export the voiceover by choosing 720 pixels. Download will start immediately. Now that we have our voiceover, let's generate our image and videos. I'll be using 3 tools. First, let's go with Leonardo AI. In your browser, type Leonardo AI. Click Sign Up if you don't have an account. The interface should look like this. Leonardo AI is a powerful image generation tool that has a free and paid plan. For this video, let's go with the free plan. Make sure the preset on your left is set to Cinematic Kino, and the style should be set to Cinematic. Contrast should be medium. If your video is intended for YouTube, choose 16:9 aspect ratio. Now we are ready to generate our images. Back to the script we saved, copy each scene and paste it into ChatGPT. Prompt it to generate an image prompt based on the scene. Example prompt: based on this scene, generate an image prompt for me. Once it is done, copy the prompt, return back to Leonardo AI, and paste the prompt into the prompt bar. Click Generate. Then download them to your PC. I suggest you create a folder for these items. Repeat these steps for all the scenes. Now we have our images, let's animate them. In your browser, and type Pixverse AI. Pixverse AI is a powerful tool for image-to-video generation, text-to-video generation, and character-to-video generation. It offers free and paid plans for users. Click on the Image-to-Video Generation button. You'll be taken to this interface. Click on Upload Image. Based on the prompt you use for the image generation, describe the action of the character in the prompt box as it was used for the image generation. Select the duration of the video you want to create, say, 8 seconds. Then click Create. Download the video clips after generation. Repeat the process for all the images generated and save them in another folder. Congrats! You have your animated video clips. Alternatively, you can use this simple AI tool, Meta AI. Meta AI allows you to create images and animate them at the same time. Simply input in your browser Meta AI. Copy and paste the prompts used for the image generation. Then wait for your image to generate. You have the option to edit your image or animate them. Click Edit to make changes if needful, and click Animate to bring your characters to life. The difference between Leonardo and Meta AI is that Leonardo gives more realistic-looking images with limited access and several styles, whilst Meta AI is pretty good with less realism and unlimited access. You can improve on realism by including keywords such as 4K and HD at the end of your image prompts. Now let me give you the secret to consistent characters. Always add the description of your characters in all your image prompts. This includes the name of your character, the age, and the outfit. For example, Tommy, a 10-year-old boy wearing white home attire, is sitting near the sea of a coastal town. He is sitting near the shore crying. Stage 2 completed. Post-production. Now we have our voiceover and clips. Let's combine them. You can use several video editing tools for this video editing, but I prefer CapCut because it has a friendly user interface and is straightforward to use. You can also use Premiere Pro or other editing software that you are familiar with. You can download CapCut from the Microsoft Store for free. After opening CapCut, you should see this interface. Click on Create a Project. A window will open. On your upper left is your effect window. The window below is your timeline. The small window on your upper right is your properties window, and the top middle is your preview window. Let's start editing. Click Import in the effect window to upload your clips. Set the aspect ratio to 16:9 for YouTube. Play the voiceover and add the clips one by one accordingly. Click the plus sign to add it to the timeline. But do you realize in the preview window that the size of the clip do not fit in the 16:9 aspect ratio? And there is also a watermark? Let's solve this issue. Select the clip. Go to the Properties window on the right. Increase the scale to 175%. To ensure smooth animation, go to the speed. Set it to times 0.8 or less based on your preference. Tick the Smooth Slow MO and select Optical Flow. Almost there. We don't want to make our short film boring, so let's add some sound effects and background music to it. Head over to the YouTube audio library to download some copyright-free music and add them to your timeline. Now we are set to go, but before that, a joint study from Verizon and Publicis Media found that 80% of viewers are more likely to finish a video with subtitles. So engage your audience by adding captions to your video. CapCut can automatically generate captions for you. Just go to the Captions tab and then click Generate. Captions will automatically be generated for you. To make your movie more cinematic, add transitions to your video. Congrats! You now have your short film. Click Export to add your video to your PC. A good resolution, bitrate, and frame rate give your video a good quality. If you find my video helpful, please support my YouTube channel by subscribing. Enjoy. One faithful evening. as a storm began to brew on the horizon of a coastal town. David and Sarah went into the room of Tommy and Jake, their children, to check up on them. To their surprise, Tommy and Jake weren't there. The boys had snuck out to play by the ocean. Despite their parents' warnings about the dangers of the sea, they couldn't resist its call. David and Sarah went outside to look for the boys. The storm hit with unexpected fury, and in the chaos, Jake was found crying.
Jake! Where is Tommy?
Tommy died. He is gone.
Tommy had vanished. Desperation set in as Sarah and David gathered a search team.